Tabi, so company the Fresh Prince of Entertainment. You might also know me as Lali. And gepraat van Lali, we started off as Lali's Mix, and it's become a thing, man. Mixcloud.com, that is the place to be. Type in Tabi, so Kambule, that is my name, and you will, of course, find that mix. And thank you for boodskappe soos hierdie. Hallo, Andre. Yay!
Ek kan dit hier so net. Ja, ons sit nou en sê dankie en ons is so bly om jou te hoor, jou stem te hoor, ons luister jou intro. En ek wil vir jou sê ons is nou hier so 'n Pretoria Noord, maar ons was net so saam met julle in Nelspruit gewees. Hoor hier so, jy het ons gevat altyd op 'n journey gestaan.
Oh man, thank you.
Jy kan nie glo nie, ek kan dit nie in woorde sit nie. Dit is bonatuurlik. Ek wil vir jou sê dankie daarvoor. Sy luister wat ek sê. Ons sê lief vir jou en luister, ons is hier my maat, ons is lief vir jou.
Baie dankie. Ek is net so lief vir jou. Ek is net so lief vir jou. Thank you so much for your support. Also got in a message here which I'm going to put you at the bottom. How's at the top? So which mix is last night's mix? Just numbered 13, 14, 15. Not sure which one it is. Ek sê gaan luister na almal. Enjoy, have a party, be safe and have a good weekend, and hopefully I'll catch you on one of the legs of my tour.